So we got some grass-fed beef sirloin. It's cheap. It's like $10.78 a pound. Shaving it up for some Philly cheesesteaks. Sorry. I put these in the freezer for like 2 hours, so they're almost frozen. Not much to it. Almost frozen. Makes it easier to slice thin. Now we got some onions diced up. Gonna saute them, caramelize them up. Onions and peppers. Coming out nice. Pull them off. Throw your sliced beef into the skillet around a 3. You want to slow cook it so it doesn't dry out. Slow cooked it, turn it up to about a 7. Make sure they're all flipped over. Gonna add some Worcestershire sauce. Salt. Some pepper. Cooking it up. Make sure to flip it again. Done. Go ahead and turn it off. Alright, let's make it all together.
What do you want to watch? I'm gonna look.
Alright.
A future movie?
Top it off with some more cheese sauce. There you go. Best homemade Philly you ever had.